Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best PC cases that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. NZXT H7 Flow. Introducing the NZXT H7 Flow 2024, a modern mid-tower ATX gaming case designed for maximum airflow and clean aesthetics. It comes pre-installed with 3 120mm fans and offers excellent cooling support for high-performance gaming builds. Priced at around $69.99, the H7 Flow 2024 offers excellent value for gamers and PC builders. Considering its premium airflow design, GPU-focused cooling layout, and easy cable management system, it competes with many higher-priced cases in the market. One of the biggest highlights of the H7 Flow 2024 is its optimized airflow system. The front panel uses a highly ventilated mesh design that allows cool air to flow directly into the system, helping maintain lower temperatures during gaming or heavy workloads. The case includes 3 pre-installed 120mm fans, giving users a solid cooling setup right out of the box. NZXT also added support for bottom-mounted fans, which can push fresh air directly toward the graphics card for improved GPU cooling performance. The spacious interior supports ATX motherboards and large GPUs, making it suitable for modern gaming PCs. Builders will also appreciate the excellent cable management features, including routing channels and hidden compartments that help keep the build clean and organized. The white finish and tempered glass side panel give the case a premium, minimalist appearance that looks fantastic on any gaming desk. Pros: excellent airflow performance. Includes 3 pre-installed fans. Dedicated GPU cooling support. Clean and modern white design. Spacious interior for high-end components. Easy cable management system. Great value for the price. Cons: no RGB fans included. Front USB-C support may depend on motherboard compatibility. Air cooling focused more than silent operation. Large size may take extra desk space. Number 4. Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack. Introducing the Cooler Master Qube 500 Flatpack, a compact yet powerful mid-tower case featuring a fully modular design, vertical GPU support, and excellent radiator compatibility for modern gaming setups. Priced at around $63.99, the Qube 500 Flatpack offers impressive value for PC enthusiasts who want flexibility and customization. Its modular structure and premium feature set make it stand out from traditional budget cases. One of the most interesting features of the Qube 500 Flatpack is its Flatpack modular design. Users can assemble and customize the case layout according to their hardware needs, making it ideal for DIY PC builders. The case supports ATX motherboards, giving plenty of room for high-performance gaming or workstation builds. It also supports dual 280mm radiators, making it a strong option for advanced liquid cooling setups. For GPU enthusiasts, the case includes vertical GPU mounting support, allowing users to showcase their graphics card through the tempered glass side panel for a cleaner and more premium appearance. Cooling performance is solid thanks to its airflow-focused layout and included 120mm rear fan. The rear-mounted power supply design also helps optimize internal space and cable routing. Despite its compact footprint, the interior remains surprisingly spacious and flexible, supporting large GPUs, multiple storage drives, and custom cooling configurations. Pros: fully modular and customizable design. Compact but supports ATX motherboards. Vertical GPU mounting support. Excellent radiator compatibility. Stylish tempered glass side panel. Great value for builders and enthusiasts. Easy to transport due to Flatpack concept. Cons: assembly may take longer for beginners. Only 1 pre-installed fan included. No RGB lighting included. Cable management can require extra effort in complex builds. Number 3. InWin A3-mATX. Introducing the InWin A3-mATX IWCSA3BLK1AM120S, a sleek MicroATX gaming chassis featuring tempered glass, built-in ARGB fan lighting, compact dimensions, and support for powerful gaming hardware. It's designed for gamers who want performance without a huge case. Priced at around $131.99, the InWin A3 sits in the premium compact case category. While it costs more than standard budget MicroATX cases, the build quality, minimalist design, GPU compatibility, and flexible cooling setup help justify the price for enthusiasts in stylish gaming builds. One of the standout features of the InWin A3 is its compact MicroATX layout that still supports large GPUs up to 340mm in length, making it suitable for powerful modern gaming systems. The case includes a pre-installed Mercury AM120S ARGB fan, adding colorful lighting effects and extra airflow right out of the box. The tempered glass side panel provides a clean showcase for RGB components and custom builds. Cooling support is another major strength. The A3 supports multiple fan positions at the top, rear, and bottom, along with support for a 240mm radiator for liquid cooling setups. Its vertical airflow layout helps move heat efficiently through the chassis. The front I/O includes modern connectivity such as USB Type-C, making it convenient for modern gaming accessories and fast data transfer. Builders also appreciate the tool-free tempered glass access and the strong overall build quality. Community feedback also highlights the case's surprisingly spacious cable management area and strong material quality for a compact chassis. Pros: compact but supports large GPUs. Premium tempered glass design. Built-in ARGB fan included. Excellent airflow-focused layout. Supports air and water cooling. USB Type-C front connectivity. Strong build quality and clean aesthetics. Cons: higher price than many MicroATX cases. Only one fan included by default. Dark tempered glass can reduce RGB visibility. Tight space with oversized power supplies. Cooling performance depends heavily on fan setup. Number 2. Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow. Introducing the Thermaltake View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow, a premium-looking mid-tower gaming chassis featuring dual tempered glass panels, pre-installed ARGB fans, and support for high-performance air or water cooling setups. Priced at around $69.99, the View 270 Plus TG ARGB Snow offers excellent value considering its panoramic glass design, included RGB fans, and ATX motherboard support. It delivers premium visual appeal without the premium price tag. One of the standout features of the View 270 Plus is its front and side dual tempered glass panels, giving the case a modern panoramic showcase design perfect for RGB gaming builds and custom PC setups. The case comes with 3 pre-installed 120mm ARGB fans, providing vibrant lighting effects and strong airflow right out of the box. Users can sync the ARGB lighting with compatible motherboards for a fully customized gaming aesthetic. Cooling flexibility is another major advantage. The case supports up to a 360mm radiator, making it ideal for both high-end air cooling and advanced liquid cooling systems. Its airflow-focused interior helps maintain lower temperatures during gaming sessions. The spacious chassis supports ATX motherboards, large graphics cards, and multiple storage options, making it suitable for powerful gaming or productivity builds. The bottom-mounted power supply design also helps improve cable management and internal airflow. Its clean white Snow Edition finish adds a premium and elegant look that stands out beautifully on modern gaming desks. Pros: beautiful panoramic tempered glass design. Includes 3 ARGB fans. Supports large ATX motherboards. Excellent radiator and cooling support. Stylish white Snow Edition finish. Good airflow for gaming systems. Strong value for the price. Cons: glass panels can show fingerprints easily. Cable management space may feel tight for beginners. Larger size requires more desk space. Fans may become slightly noisy at high speeds. Number 1. Lian Li A3-mATX. Introducing the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L, a sleek compact gaming case built for MicroATX and Mini-ITX systems, featuring modular internal layouts, flexible PSU installation, and support for powerful cooling setups. Priced at around $89.99, the A3-mATX offers excellent value for users who want a premium compact PC case with advanced modularity and high-end cooling support. It's especially attractive for clean minimalist gaming builds. One of the biggest highlights of the A3-mATX is its compact 26.3-liter design, which saves desk space while still supporting powerful gaming hardware including large GPUs and 360mm AIO liquid coolers. The case features a modular internal layout, allowing users to customize component placement for better airflow and easier cable management. Its flexible frontways power supply mounting system helps maximize interior space efficiency. Despite its smaller size, the case supports both MicroATX and Mini-ATX motherboards, making it versatile for different build types. The mesh-heavy airflow design also helps improve cooling performance for high-end CPUs and GPUs. Another standout feature is its collaboration with DAN cases, known for compact high-performance chassis designs. This gives the A3 a smart internal structure optimized for small form-factor PC enthusiasts. The all-black steel construction gives the case a premium minimalist appearance that fits perfectly into modern gaming or professional setups. Pros: compact and space-saving design. Supports 360mm AIO liquid cooling. Flexible modular layout. Excellent airflow-focused structure. Supports large GPUs despite small size. Premium minimalist appearance. Great build quality from Lian Li. Cons: no fans included. Compact builds may require careful cable management. Limited room for beginners during installation. Premium price compared to basic MicroATX cases. If you're looking for a compact but powerful PC case for your next gaming build, the Lian Li A3-mATX 26.3L is definitely worth checking out. Check the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gaming PC reviews and setup ideas.